Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing soft and fluffy scrambled eggs in the microwave. Eggs, as you know, are a good source of protein and contain essential vitamins and minerals, and thus a healthy breakfast makes a very good start to the day. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients should be at room temperature, especially the butter, which must be softened. Method: crack the eggs into a large microwave safe bowl. Then add the pepper powder, butter which must be softened at room temperature, salt, plain flour, and lastly the milk. This is an important stage. Whisk well until blended, because the more you whisk, the fluffier the scrambled egg will turn out. Now we are moving to the 3-stage microwave process. Stage 1. Microwave on high power for an initial 2 minutes. Then remove and mix. Note, the cook time may need to be adjusted and will depend on how powerful your microwave is. Stage 2. Microwave on high power for another 1 minute. Then remove and stir lightly. Note, you can stop at the appropriate point at which the scrambled egg has reached the consistency you prefer. Stage 3. Microwave on high power for another 30 seconds. Then remove and break up the scrambled egg into smaller chunks. Note, do not overcook the scrambled eggs even though it may look moist at this stage. Allow it to stand and it will continue to cook and firm up after being removed from the microwave. Serve with some toasted tiger bread, sprinkle salt and pepper, and top it up with some grated Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, soft and fluffy scrambled eggs in the microwave. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try, have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy! Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the link on your screen right now and watch another video.